how to set up server stats on Discord. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is, of course, have Discord open in the background, and then we're going to go ahead and open up our browser of choice, and then we're going to type in server stats bot like so. You're then going to see server stats as one of the options, and we're going to press invite bot right here, and then all you want to do is add it to a server. So I'm going to add it to one right now. Go ahead and press continue. Give it the permissions, and then you're going to have to verify. Now, once it's verified, it's going to say set up the bot. So it says to use our bot, you need to set it up first. So it says to do this, we have the command /setup. So what we're going to have to do is just go over to setup information, and all it's going to say exactly how to set it up. So it says after your bot has joined the server, simply type setup in your chat, then choose your desired channel and template option. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go over to here. As you can see, server stats is right here. So now what we want to do is type in setup like so, like here, and then we're going to see all of these different things. So we'll just do this one right here, and then we can put it wherever we want. So we can just do voice channel, for example, and then we can do whatever we want. So we can do default counters like so. And as you can see, it says server stats. They're right here now. And I can move it, of course, wherever I want to. Let's say I want to move it to the top. I can go ahead and do that as well if I want to. Now it says the setup has been completed with the template default. Now, if I want to ever add like any more counters or anything like that, then all I got to go ahead and do is type in /counter, and then I'm going to see create right there. So I can press that, and then I can do exactly what I want. So for example, I could just choose something like roles in server. Then I can just go ahead and select a channel. So we'll just do something like text channel, for example, like so, and it's going to be thinking, and then it's going to be making more of those things.